Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an advanced web server for ESP boards. This server will allow you to upload files directly from your browser, manage those files, and solve them from the device. Let's take a look at what I have created. First of all, I'll upload the code to ESP board. Make sure to change Wi-Fi credentials before doing so. Once done uploading, you have to open serial monitor and then reset your ESP board. As soon as you reset your board, you will see connecting to Wi-Fi in serial monitor, and once it gets connected to Wi-Fi, it will print the local IP address that you have to copy. And then if you open it from any browser, it will show you upload files web page, from which you can choose your website files and upload it. Make sure your files are small in size, as ESP have very low storage. You can see I selected 3 files, and as soon as I click on upload button, it will start listing those files in serial monitor. Now all 3 files are uploaded along with newly created uploaded.flag. That's how it tracks whether to serve upload web page or the actual website. So if you reload your page, you will still get the same upload web page, but as soon as you reset your board and reload the website, you will see your new website. Now for some reason, if you want to delete any file, you can just use this command delete and then file name. For example, I'll try to delete this profile image. It says profile is deleted successfully, but still shows the image. That's because of browser cache. I'll open developer option and disable cache. Oh, it's already disabled. Now if I reload the page, it doesn't show profile.jpg. Now if you again want to upload new file, then you have to delete uploaded.flag from file system and then reset your board so that it can serve upload web page again. Now if you try to delete any file that doesn't exist, it will say fail to delete. Now you can see we have only 2 files left, and if I reload the page, it will show upload file web page again, and I'll upload profile.jpg. Again, you can see profile.jpg is uploaded and uploaded.flag is created. Now if I reset my board and reload web page, it will again show my website. Now for some reason, if you want to format the file system, that is to clear all the files, then you can use format command. If I now reset the board, it will show no files. In this video, I'm not going to do the code explanation. If you want to learn about web servers in ESP board, you can watch my previous video, to which I'll leave link in description. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like my content, please do subscribe my channel and leave a comment.